Okay, this is how you can add collaborators on your post. So just open Facebook and create post. Just need to select photo or videos. Then let's say this one, just an example. Then create a caption. I love my shoes. Okay, then next, and hold on before you hit on post, scroll down, then you see the collaborator, then search for the pages that you want to collaborate with. For example, I'm gonna just choose my own uh, links, or it can be a brand, maybe let's see Nike, and it will show up as a page. Okay, hold on, see, this is the Nike. Then you just choose it, and since Nike is not my one of my uh, collaborators, I'll just choose as a test. I'll just choose my profile first. Okay, so you'll have the idea. So wait for my profile to come out. uh, Might take a while. Where is it? See, that's my profile. Choose, then see, you can see it's there. Then if you want to share it with on your story, you can do so, and I can even share it to the group. Then post. Okay, now it's posting. Then the profile that you tagged with will be notified that they've been invited as a collaborator. So you need to tell them, give them a heads up that, hey, I've added you as a collaborator. Please accept, and that's it. See, I will go to my profile, yeah, to my personal profile. I get a notification. Where is it? It's not in yet. So just need to wait for a while. Okay? Yeah, just need to wait for a while. I think sometimes, I'm not sure of the new update, but usually that's the steps. Okay? Maybe let me close first. Okay, close, 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 close. Sorry. Close, close, close. Then open. Oh, don't know. Not sure. How come I didn't receive any collaboration notification? But anyway, you can just see to it. Ask ask your brand or your partner to check if they will get a notification, and just let them accept it. Okay, let me check my post. Oh, let me edit. I'm not sure. Okay, anyway, that's how to do it. Let me know update me.